Frequently asked question number 32. How does a healthy succulent look like? Now, the signs of a healthy succulent includes beautiful, vibrant colors. The leaves will be very firm to touch, and overall there is going to be a slow growth. Yes guys, succulents are not meant to be grown quickly. Although this might sound like a red flag that, oh, my plant is not growing faster, or my plant has a very slow growth, probably there is some issue, but that's completely incorrect. This actually is a great sign or a good sign that your succulent is doing well, because that's how they tend to grow. So whenever you tend to see the dry leaves, which will be occasionally found at the bottom of your succulent, this is also a great sign that your succulent is growing well. So one, the succulent is going to grow slow. There are going to be vibrant colors. When you tend to touch, the leaves are going to be firm. They are not going to be wide open. They are not going to be completely closed inward like a ball. They are going to look like this, which means that your succulent is healthy. So in case if you think that your succulent is not growing fast, please don't be worried. Please don't add any fertilizers. Your succulent is absolutely doing fine, because this is how the succulent is built to grow. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.